out back after the storm. It was saying more rain about 8 o'clock. It's about an hour from now. Trees are still blowing. A little hard to tell with these. The branches are so thin. This one's moving a little bit. I think I felt another raindrop. Yeah, it's starting to rain again. Gotta get my phone back on the charger. It's not 100% yet. I just wanted to step outside and get another video. This is our backyard. I'm on the back porch. Just gonna let this focus on the field a little bit. Thought I saw some move in the tree. I must be seeing things. There's a cow at the far end. Looks like she's eating. Sounds like a bird. I only lift up towards the, sorry, my finger was in there. I only lift up towards the trees because I don't know if anybody else might spot the bird that I don't. We all associate birds with trees. I love nature. There's the pond straight ahead. See the boat upside down? The white boat? Not a clear spot in sight. Just trying to stay focused on the sky a bit, especially for those that are homebound and want to just try and picture different shapes in the clouds or just see the rain clouds if they haven't had rain in a while. a cow put down that end. I'm gonna focus in this way a little bit, because I'm gonna end this video shortly. Have a great rest of your weekend, everybody. Happy Saturday. And it's about 7 p.m. or a little after 7, April 10th. God bless. Bye.